I'm going to teach you how to create checklists on cards. Now this is a really handy feature, especially if you have a lot of tasks you want to assign to one card. So the first step is to create your card. I'm going to call mine morning routine. Now click the card. Down the side on the right hand side you can see this checklist. If you click that, it'll let you make a new one. Now you can give it a custom name. I'm just going to call mine checklist, and then you can add in the little things that you want to tick off. So I'm going to add coffee, send email, newsletter, pick up kids from school. You can have multiple checklists within the same card as well. So if I go over here and click checklist again, it'll let me add checklist number 2. So what is something else I want to do? Check emails, finish up early maybe. That'd be nice. So you can tick these off and it'll give you a percentage of what's been completed. And also if you click off the card, you can see there's a bit of a snapshot of how many tasks have been completed. So I hope this is helpful.